Hello, wonderful people. Welcome once again to my channel. Today we'll be doing some body polishing and I'll be taking you through DIY body scrubs that can help lighten dark areas of your skin. Because I didn't want any leftovers, I did my body scrub in very small quantities. I have my turmeric body scrub, my salt body scrub, my sugar body scrub, and then my coffee body scrub. Our main ingredients for our first scrub is coffee. Then the next will be salt, just as the name goes, and then brown sugar. And then we have turmeric. With our first body scrub, which is our coffee body scrub, I will be putting a tablespoon of coffee into a bowl, just as you see. I will then add some olive oil to get the paste-like feeling that I want, just a little. And then I'm going to stir my mixture. I'm then going to add a teaspoon of glycerin, and then I'm going to stir. I'm now going to add a capsule of vitamin E, and I will stir my mixture. So I'll be using the coffee scrub on my elbow so that as the coffee exfoliates my skin, the glycerin, the vitamin E, and the olive oil will nourish my skin. Just do this gently so that you do not cause any abrasions to your skin. After rinsing it off, this is how my elbow looks like. Now I'll be moving on to my sugar scrub, and I'm putting a teaspoon of sugar into my mixing bowl. And I'll be adding some rosemary oil. But this rosemary oil, I use coconut oil as my carrier oil. I'm now going to stir my mixture to get the even texture that I am looking for. I'm now going to apply my sugar scrub on my knee. After rinsing it off, this is the result. Now I'll be doing my salt scrub, and I'll be putting a teaspoon of salt into my mixing bowl. I'm then going to add some olive oil to get that paste-like feeling that I'm looking for, and then I'm going to stir. I am then going to apply my salt scrub on my skin so that as the salt exfoliates, the olive oil will nourish my skin. With my turmeric body scrub, I'll be using 1 teaspoon of rice flour. Then I will add a half teaspoon of turmeric powder. I will then add some milk to the mixture. While I'm adding, I'll be stirring to get the paste-like texture that I want. I'm going to add some vitamin E to this. I'm going to add some glycerin too, and I'm adding a teaspoon of glycerin. I will then stir to get an even mixture. So we have our turmeric body scrub. I will then use this on my face. I wouldn't rinse it off. Remember to let body scrub sit on your face for about 5 to 10 minutes before rinsing them off. And now this is the results. Thank you very much for staying with me throughout the video. If you like my videos, kindly subscribe.